Hi guys, Race here from GOSHDANG, and today we will watch Try Not to Laugh video. And there's Donald Trump. Hi boy.
Just another day walking around.
Hey kid, I know this. It's named Penny Boy.
You wanna come down here?
What the freak?
Yeah, look down here. Emma has, 5 DVDs, 5 seasons of Elmo's World down here.
What?
I'm good, thanks.
I don't get what this guy's saying.
Oh, it's fine down here, Georgie.
My name's not Georgie.
Just come down here. We can have a fun time.
It's almost the girl or what? I forgot.
Look too. Look down here.
I'm good, thanks.
Just come down here, you little...
What? Oh, I know this. So funny. So funny. So funny. I can't take it. No, not good. Oh, dang it. I hate this. Okay, I'm so... Look at it again. Just look at it, it's so funny. No! Don't do it. Okay, let's go. No way! What? He'll gonna die. I know this already. He doesn't die. He says, "Oh no! What did I do? Oh no! There's the cops! No!"
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, sorry.
Going through the tree.
That hurts. No!
Ruben, don't do this to me.
I'm gonna laugh.
I need you, boy.
I'm gonna laugh here because look at this shout. Oh! That was a freaking shout. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this shout. Look. Okay, let's go. Not this again. Okay.
You may have seen a few people test Flex Seal on a bucket. That's a lot of damage. How about a little more? No, that's a lot of damage.
We're not supposed to touch that stuff. We're not supposed to touch that either. We are really not supposed to touch those, sir. Good people have no use for weapons such as...
And then there's Chunky. He's dead.
Hey, come look at the site.
What the freak? What just happened?
Ew! You know it's illegal, download copyrighted music. I'm taking you in.
Pay for music, never legally.
Hey, this is
The
Justin
meme
Roiland.
guy.
Gaze upon my magical, mysterious, floating orb.
Ooh, I get the soup ladle.
Oh, this thing kicks my butt off. No.
What was your first impression of Minecraft?
Well, I don't know if I should say this at Minecon, but I gotta say that I thought it looked a little pixely, you know?
Okay.
Like chunky, like kind of like a.
You know what? I'm about to say it. Say it. I don't care
about your Fortnite wins.
Oh no, this is not good. No, baby! That hurts. That gotta hurt. Oh my god. We're gonna try another one. Too early!
Yeah, I'll try to knock this out of my hand.
We're also building toward the game after that. And it's the one you keep asking about.
I'll get it. What the heck is this?
I just came back from Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and the little boy comes out to me when I go in those little shops. I always wanted a train whistle. Lucy wouldn't let me do it in the car because she said, don't start, wait till you get home, so I'm all alone. I can't wait, I'm so excited. Here we go, 1, 2, 3.
I don't get it. Test your might. Test your might. Test your might. Test your might. Mortal Kombat! Mortal Kombat! Wow. Liu Kang, Scorpion, Sub-Zero, Johnny Cage, Sonya, Mortal Kombat!
Welcome everyone, my name's Aaaaaa, and that is right. After we had attempted and completed the legendary pistol only challenge in the Solid Gold V2 mode.
What's that? What's this? Is it just Fortnite? It's like
So let's check it out live right now. Is this legit, my boy? How did he implement him? Oh my God! I can't believe I'm seeing this. The boy is back.
What? What the freak? Huh? I don't get this. What the frick? Come on, are you serious? I have no connection. So guys, I'm gonna end this video because I have no more connection. It's for real, I have no connection. Oh man, are you serious? How can I upload this video? Never mind guys, if I have some vids. If I have connection, I'm gonna do this now. Bye guys. Whoopoosh! Wait. What the frick? And you can't see. I have no more connection. Goodbye guys. Whoopoosh! You could Tatsugami in place. Bye guys.